If you want to hide the grid in LibreOffice Draw, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to turn off the grid so your canvas looks clean and uncluttered. This is really helpful when you want a better view of your design, presentation layout, or drawing without all the guidelines in the background. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program loads, look at the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. If you already have an existing file open, you can use that too. The process works the same way either way, so just get your draw document ready. Now that you're inside LibreOffice Draw, look at the top menu bar, find the View menu and click on it. This menu controls what you can see on the page, including guides, rulers, and grid options. After clicking View, move down to Grid and Helplines. This is where LibreOffice keeps the display settings for the grid. Click Grid and Helplines to open the submenu. In the submenu, look for Display Grid. If it has a check mark next to it, that means the grid is currently visible. To hide it, simply click Display Grid once to uncheck it. As soon as you do that, the grid disappears from your draw page. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the grid in LibreOffice Draw. This is a great way to make your workspace look cleaner and focus more on the actual content of your design. If you want to bring the grid back later, just follow the same steps and check Display Grid again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.